What is going on YouTube, and welcome back to the TikTok Creativity Program Beta Road to 10K. This is week 4 right now. As you guys can see, if you follow along the journey, you would have seen my progress from week 0, day 0, all the way up to week 1, 2, and 3. And now we are on the last week of the month. You guys are probably wondering, what progress have I made so far? Now, I do have big news for this update video. However, it might not be as big as you expect. So the big news is we did make our first little bit of money from the TikTok Creativity Program Beta. I'm gonna put the little screenshot here of how much I made. Now you're probably looking at that and like, this dude's really making a video about making $4.70. However, you guys need to understand, when you start something new, when you start something that is difficult, you just want little signs as you're grinding, as you're staying consistent every day, to tell you that you're going into the right direction. In reality, you need to do something every day for months, years, to actually see the fruits of your labor. Now, the $4 is a sign for me that, hey, I'm going in the right direction. And also, I'm going to post a screenshot right here of all my posts from this past week and which ones got the most views. If you guys noticed, one of my videos got 5,000 views, which is the highest we've gotten so far since we've started the journey. Now, this 5,000 views means a lot more than 5,000 views to me because it led me to making the $4. Now, I just thinking, man, like the idea of I made money off of content. Because on YouTube I'm still not monetized, and because on TikTok I was usually making, content that's 10 to 20 seconds long, I never got paid for it. I got sales on TikTok Shop, but I never directly got paid for my content. This is the first time that I've seen, for the people out there who question, hey, can you really make money off content? I've seen that I can make money just off of my content. We're getting monetized on YouTube soon, so I'm excited for that as well. But to make money on a 1-minute video on TikTok is mind-blowing to me. Now, as you'll see in that screenshot, my RPM, which means revenue per mil, so how much you make per 1,000 views, is $1.69, which let's do some math, right? If I get a video that gets 100,000 views, that's about $160, $170. If I get a video that gets 1,000,000 views, that's about $1,600. Think about how much it would mean to you to make an extra $1,600 to $2,000 a month just off of posting 1-minute videos. Like, really sit there and think about that. It's crazy. A lot of the stuff we see on YouTube kind of overinflates our expectations. We see people doing, 100 to 200K a month, and we think, well, bro, $1,000 to $2,000 extra a month on top of all your other income, like on top of TikTok Shop, for me would be very nice, especially because it's just content. I don't have to worry about shipping things. I don't have to worry about, dealing with customer support. And also because TikToks are unedited, so it literally takes me 1 minute to make a video. And let's do some math here. If I make one video every single day for the month, that's 30 videos at the end of the month. That's only 30 minutes of work. If, let's say, I want to do a bit more than that, let's say I do 2 videos a day, at the end of the month, that's 60 minutes of work, that's 1 hour. What are the odds that at least one of those 60 videos is going to do well? They're relatively high. Most likely at least one of those videos is going to hit 100 to 200,000 views. So it's pretty much, this is how I describe the Creativity Program Beta. It's just easy money. That's 100% worth it to go for. So in the beginning, I had anticipated only doing this documentation for like a month, but I actually want to carry on. I want to show you guys the progress from 0 all the way up to when I make the 10K. So I don't care when it comes, I'm staying consistent every day, guys. When I tell you I'll post every day, I post every single day. I haven't missed a single day since I made that first video. To be honest, it's very easy. It's one minute video a day. Sometimes I do 2. I'm sticking to it so I can show you. When I put up that screenshot right there and it says $10,000, when it says 20,000, when it says 50K, to show you that really someone in real time right in front of you went from 0 to 50K just off of 1-minute videos. And like I did with the TikTok Shop series, I'm looking at the camera right now and I know that day is eventually gonna come. I'm certain of it. And I'm gonna stay consistent. I don't care if it takes me 2, I don't care if it takes me 5 years. As long as I'm healthy and able to, I'm gonna post a 1-minute TikTok every single day, and I can't wait. I can't wait to make that video entitled, like, we just made 10K. I can't wait to make that video update. Y'all will be here to see it when I eventually do it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, make sure you take inspiration from this and start creating your own content on TikTok. It literally can't hurt. What could possibly go wrong with you just creating content on TikTok? Nothing. So make that step, make that move, put your fear aside of what are people gonna think, what my voice might sound weird. Fuck all that, bro. Everyone thinks that when they start. Remember, your favorite streamer, your favorite YouTuber, your favorite businessman, they all started from zero. They started with 0 followers, they started with 0 listeners, they started with 0 money or revenue from their business. So remember that if you're starting from 0, just get to work and you're eventually gonna hit 100, you're gonna hit 1 million. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.